one shot!
Kill it!
Switch to one shot!
Shane, I can shoot between your legs. The hitboxes are so good. Don't move. What is that? I can hear the music.
What on earth? Like you're...
Don't shoot me! Don't
Oh,
shoot
sorry,
me!
sorry. It's just so tempting when you're singing.
Oh! There's a bear chasing me.
Oh, I got you, homie. Wait, where are you?
Oh, I see you, Austin. Shane, you got this. Shane, you got this, dude. Nobody wants to mess with me now. Sorry, I didn't mean to take that out.
What, you like jump really high? Will be a
No,
ramp?
you can't jump high. It's not a jump hack.
No, I mean, will it like ramp you if you're running fast enough so that you go...
Oh yeah, like this? Yeah.
Wait, I lost you. Hold on. Where are you?
Right here.
Find a ramp. That one right there.
Rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow. Can't stick around, have to keep moving on.
Ow! Guys!
What?
My legs broke! Ah!
I
I'm going back to base.
didn't even see it.
Uh,
Here, man, I'll take care of you.
Don't kill me! Austin! Austin betrayed us, we need to kill him.
What?
I'll take something Shane's doing. Oh yeah, don't start yet, by the way.
Okay.
Waiting for Shane. And my organized got messed up. I mean, my bags got messed up.
Here, I'm gonna just rebuild everything that I destroyed, and we're gonna start from the top.
Okay.
Oh, it's not actually destroyed. So it did set us back over in the same spots. Alright.
Can you close these doors? Because they're open for me.
Can I close what?
This door, it's open.
They're not open for me.
Okay.
I can't walk through them. I'll show you. See?
Oh, okay.
Are you
Hello,
stupid?
Shane.
I was like behind you forever. I was waiting for you
Really?
to turn around.
I thought I saw something, but I completely ignored it.